Good morning, students. In the method of Carl Pearson, today we discuss statistics, chapter number 2, linear correlation. In that particular chapter, we already started the practical sums. In last video lecture, you all know that we take one practical sum of the method when x bar and y bar both are integer, not in fraction, not in point. We apply the formula r is equals to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon into under root sigma x minus x bar square and into second under root sigma y minus y bar square. Again today with the same method I am here with you in this particular video lecture. So students, open your page, textbook page number 71 and 72. Textbook page number 71 and 72. Again, the today's method is also of the Carl Pearson's method. And Carl Pearson's method, we do a sum in which the x bar and y bar both are integer. See, remember friends, you must read all the formulas which I explained you earlier for the correlation. Carl Pearson method and Spearman's rank correlation method. Let's take a sum. In order to study the relation between the performance of students of a school in terms of marks in the subjects of Gujarati and statistics. Here they provide, friends, two variables to us. The first variable is marks of Gujarati and the second variable is marks in your favorite subject, that is statistics. The following data are collected by taking a sample of 6 students. Here they take a sample of 6 students. So my friends, we clearly understand said that here the value of n, number of observation, is 6. There are 6 different pairs are provided in the question or sum. Marks in Gujarati, that is called X, 65, 72, 66, 70, 72 and 69. The marks of different 6 students are here. Marks in statistics, 90, 90, 95, 88, 92, 85 and 90. So here 6 pairs are given, marks of Gujarati and marks of statistics. Before deciding the formula or which method we have to apply of Carl Pearson, first of all, by this 2 column, we have to do the total of this 2 column. They write also in the question, compute the correlation coefficient, that is R, between the marks obtained by the students in 2 subjects from the given data. So students, first what we have to do? We have to do the total of the column of X and total of the column of Y. That is total of marks of Gujarati and total of marks of statistics. Here I do the total. The total of column of X, that is 65 plus 72 plus 66, 70, 72, 69. The total is 414. That is 414. Now the total of the statistics column, marks of statistics, that is column of Y, is 90 plus 95 plus 88 plus 92 plus 85 plus 90. The total here is 540. After doing the total, we have to find the value of x bar and y bar. Why we have to find the value of x bar and y bar? Because on that particular value, we can able to decide that which formula we have to apply for this particular practical sum. So the formula of x bar is equals to sigma x upon n, and the formula of y bar is equals to sigma y upon n. Now here x bar is equals to sigma x upon n. So the sigma x is 414 divided by number of observation, that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 414 divided by 6. Here it is 69. So the value of x bar is in integer. It is 69. Not in fraction, not in point. Now we find the y bar. Y bar means sigma y upon n. Sigma y means total of the column of y, that is provided 540, 540 upon 6. 540 upon 6, that is 9090. So here my friends, you all are able to understand that the answer of x bar and y bar both are in integer. Both are not in fraction, both are not in point, and suddenly our mind speaks with us that we have to apply the second formula of Karl Pearson, and that second formula is R is equals to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon into under root sigma x minus x bar square into second under root sigma y minus y bar square. Now for this formula, second formula, as we all remember, we have to prepare additional 5 columns. They provide us 2 columns, x and y, and we have to prepare additional 5 columns. First, x minus x bar, second, y minus y bar, third, x minus x bar into y minus y bar, fourth, x minus x bar the square, and fifth and last, that is y minus y bar whole the square. Now here I draw all the 5 additional columns, x minus x bar, y minus y bar, multiplication of both x minus x bar and y minus y bar, x minus x bar square and y minus y bar square. Now x minus x bar means from all the values of x we have to subtract x bar. From all the values of x we have to subtract the x bar. So here 65 minus x bar is 69. So we got minus 4, 72 minus 69, 3, 66 minus 69, minus 3, 70 minus 69, 1, 72 minus 69, 3, 69 minus 69, 0. Total of x minus x bar and y minus y bar is always 0. As we studied in standard 11, the deviations taken from mean is always 0. Now y minus y bar, same way, from all the values, all the digits of y, we have to deduct y bar. Let's see, 90 minus 90, y bar is 9090. 90 minus 90, it is 0. 95 minus 90, it is 5. 88 minus 90, minus 2. 92 minus 92. 85 minus 90, that is minus 5. 90 minus 90, again 0. Total of all the plus and minus is 0 always. 5 plus 2, 7. Minus 2 minus 5, minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7, it is 0. Now we move towards our third additional column, that is multiplication of x minus x bar with y minus y bar. Here it is minus 4 into 0, it is 0. 3 into 5, 15. Minus 3 into minus 2, minus minus plus, so 0. 0, 6. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 5, minus 15. Why? Because plus into minus, so it is minus. Remember, in basic maths we all learn these rules of multiplication: minus minus plus, plus plus plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus. So 3 into minus 5, minus 15, 0 into 0, 0, 0. Additional fourth column is x minus x bar square. square of the column of x minus x bar. Square of minus 4 is 16, square of 3 is 9, square of minus 3 is 9, square of 1 is 1, square of 3 is 9, and square of 0 is 0. Last additional column is y minus y bar square. In this column we have to do the square of the column of y minus y bar. So the square of y minus y bar is square of 0, that is 0, square of 5, 25, square of minus 2, 4, square of 2, 4, square of minus 5, 25, square of 0 is 0. After preparing all the columns, we have to do the total of the columns. Total of last 3 columns, x minus x bar into y minus y bar is total of plus plus and total of minus minus. Total of plus plus means 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 23 minus 15. So the final answer comes 8. Here 23 is plus and 15 is minus. So the minus is, the answer is 8. As we all aware that the sign of big digit is always there. So here the total of plus is more. So we take the answer in 8. Now x minus x bar square, the total is 44. Y minus y bar square, the total is 58. Now what we have to do? We have to put these values into the formulas. As we all aware, we apply the formula of r is equals to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon into under root sigma x minus x bar square into second under root sigma y minus y bar square. Now we put the values. So r is equals to, in numerator position, the total of fifth additional column, that is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar, and the total is 8. So here we should take 8. Upon sigma x minus x bar square means total of additional column number 6, that is 44. So here we take 44. Now last additional column is 58. So y minus y bar square we take 58. So 8. Now in denominator position there is a multiplication of 44 with 58. So 44 into 58. The answer is 2552. It is in under root. Numerator 8 itself. Now we have to do under root of 2552. And that under root is 5050.5173. 8 divided by 50.5173. The answer is 0.1584. Or we can say it is 0.16, that is 16. See, here the value of r is very much nearer to 0. So we can say it is a positive correlation but low degree of positive correlation. Because it is nearer to 0. See, in interpretation, if it is answering, the answer is in plus, but it is nearer to 1, then we have to write there is a high degree of positive correlation. But if the answer comes in plus, but it is nearer to 0, then we have to write it is a low degree of positive correlation between these two particular things. Low degree of correlation means, if we want to do its practical implication, then low degree of marks of students like marks of Gujarati and marks of statistics are in same direction, but it is a very less comparison of this both two subjects marks. That is a practical implication of it. Now I am able to do or explain you in next video lecture the sums of XY method as well as sums of UV method. I am quite confident that you all are able to understand the x minus x bar and y minus y bar method. Again I say, when x bar and y bar are integer, not in point, not in fraction, then we have to apply this method. And additional 5 columns are required. x minus x bar, y minus y bar, multiplication of both, that is x minus x bar into y minus y bar, x minus x bar square and y minus y bar square. Then we have to apply the formula. In formula we have to put the values, do the simplification, do the calculation with your calculator and get the answer, and at last, because we want to get the full marks, so at last we have to write some interpretation of this particular correlation also. So this is the method of Karl Pearson. X minus x bar method, xy method, UV method. This all, the method of short sums and the method of when covariance xy is given, this all are the method of Karl Pearson. See, in question, not a single place they provide that find out the ring correlation method or Spearman's ring correlation method. So we can able to know, we can easily understand it that we have to apply the Karl Pearson methods of correlation coefficient. Thank you. Thanks for your cooperation. Do the sum.